Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be making chicken sodhi, which is essentially a very brothy, stewy Sri Lankan stew. It has that kind of delicious chicken soup undertone. Well, I make it with a whole chicken that I cut up, so it's got like the chicken bones, which adds this really delicious brothiness to it. It's all very subtle and brothy and delicious and perfect for autumn. Kind of perfect for any time in the year, in my opinion, but great for autumn because it's got turmeric in, which is anti-inflammatory. It's got chicken in, also chicken broth is anti-inflammatory, and then it's got some spices, which are always good for you. And coconut milk, again, can't go wrong with a bit of coconuts. And you can put vegetables in it. So actually you can just have it with rice and sodhi. Yeah, so let's get started. As always, please subscribe if you like this video, and leave me comments if you have some comments. The ingredients will be in the description below. You will need 2 cloves of garlic and some ginger, which has been peeled, and then 2 sprigs of curry leaves. If you don't have curry leaves, then you can leave them out, but they are really, really great in this dish. Then, as I said, I cut up a whole chicken. So I've got chicken breast, which I chopped up, and then all of like the legs and the wings of the chicken. If you don't want to cut it up yourself, you can just buy breast and legs and thighs. Then we've got carrots, which make nice sweetness. Make it nice and sweet. And then you've got a tanginess of the tomato, coriander seeds and pepper, black pepper whole, turmeric, and also the coconut milk, and obviously the onion, which I skipped over because I was chatting about other stuff. You then should basically get a big pot, put it on a medium-high heat, and then add in about 750 millilitres of water. And then you're going to add in your chopped onion. And then you will just add in just the chicken with the chicken bones, so none of the breast, that comes in later. So add in your chicken thighs, chicken wings, yeah. And the coconut milk. And then your turmeric. As I said, it's literally just adding everything into the pot and then cooking it. So it's not that complex. Now you add in your curry leaves. I like to rip them up because I think it gets the best flavour out of them, and you should also not just add in the leaves but the sprigs as well. You can use fresh or frozen curry leaves for this, depending on what you have access to. I think Sainsbury's in the UK sells curry leaves now. So add in some salt. I know a lot of people have this thing where they're like, oh, I don't like to cook with salt. The thing is with salt, it's so important to cook with salt because it actually pulls out the oils and flavours from your other ingredients. So if you don't use salt, you're basically nullifying the flavours. Then you add in your carrot, your tomato, and yeah. Then you basically just give that a bit of a stir to incorporate everything, as I am showing here. And yeah, then you just allow it to cook on a medium to medium-high heat. Obviously, you should keep an eye on it so it doesn't overflow. If it's overflowing, you should turn it down, but it will get all nice and bubbly. And then it will the turmeric will really activate and it will get this nice yellow colour. And then this is what the meat should look like after about 20 minutes of cooking. You want to make sure that the bones are cooked quite well before you add in the breast. So that's why we cook it for 20 minutes. Then you add in the breast and you'll cook that for about 15 minutes. And this is the key part of the flavour right here. Basically, you get your garlic, ginger, coriander seeds, and whole black pepper corns, and then make them into a paste. So I use a pestle and mortar. As you can see, some of the coriander flies out, so you kind of got to start gently at the beginning, and then it'll become easier to make it into a paste. It takes quite a while. So then you add about 1.5 heaped teaspoons into the pot,
And you only cook that for another 5 minutes because that's really that final flavour that makes the sodhi. And it's delicious. So yeah, that's it. We're done. Have it with some basmati rice. Sprinkle on some fresh curry leaves to make it look pretty. That's it.
Thanks for watching my video. Hope you have a delicious Sunday with some wine and some chicken sodhi. See you next week. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all the other things you've got to do so I can become YouTube famous. Thanks guys.